Well, hey everyone, welcome to Love to Create by Tonya. And today I'm going to show you everything that I've been collecting for the giveaway basket. And first of all, we're going to start out with 3 of these bunnies. And I'm going to be including all 3 of these in the basket. And the next thing that I found is going to be 3 of these little wood crates. Now, I didn't find the pallets, but I hope to find those for the next giveaway. And then I'm also going to include 3 of the bird houses. And then I've got this little farm to table. And then another one of the little wood houses that I found. And here's 3 different types of the burlap ribbon. I've got some of the wood clothespins and some of the wood butterflies. And I was lucky enough to find this eucalyptus greenery. And then some of the nautical rope. And then some of the moss stones. And I am going to throw in this little bunny that we had made on one of the DIYs. I couldn't find any more of the actual wood bunnies, so I wanted to go ahead and include this one in the giveaway. And here's that little wall art picture of the old house, one of the grapevine wreaths. Then we have one of the bamboo cutting boards and one of the little stand-up wipe-off boards. One of the windmill welcome signs. And one of the other welcome signs that's just the wall art that you could paint or just add this into a wreath. We've got a few of the little brushes and sponge brushes. And here's one of the tablecloths. I don't know if you have watched the one where I took and cut these out and Mod Podged them on a Hello Spring sign. But this one was really pretty. It had the butterflies, the flowers, and the hummingbirds on here. So this is going to be in the gift basket. And of course I had to get some of these butterflies. And then I've got some of the little sticker letters, some of the stencils, and a couple of the home and family and little spring stickers. And then I found this little stencil wheel that'd be great for adding borders to things. And then we've got 2 of the packs of Easter eggs that you can put some chalk paint on, or you could actually go over these with a paint marker and then just detail in some of the lines that are already on there. And I also found one of the little floating shelves. Well, everyone, this is all of the items that I'm going to be putting in the gift basket. And you can see it's a lot of fun stuff that I've been collecting. I know I didn't find everything that everyone had mentioned in the comments, but like I said, I will have my eye open for those, and hopefully I can find some of those for you to add in our 3,000 subscriber basket. Now, what you're going to need to do to be entered into the drawing is you're going to need to be subscribed to my channel. You need to like this video, comment on this video, and you also need to have 1 friend subscribe. And then I would like for you to follow me on Instagram. And if you email me in the subject basket, gift basket, then all those things, and I will be able to put you in the drawing. I'll leave all the information for the rules for the drawing in the description below, and also my email address will be there. Well, everyone, I thank you again for your support, and I'm so happy to be able to find some of these fun things to do a drawing for you. And the next DIY we'll be doing Friday, and that's when I will announce the winner of the drawing. Well, everyone, have a great week, and I will see you Friday.